Hello, it's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and today I'm going to share with you a really simple way to roast veggies. And with this method, we will keep the veggies crisp on the outside, nice and soft on the inside. And today I have veggies from Blue Sky Organic Farms as well as the farm at South Mountain. From Blue Sky, we have some fennel, the green garlic, a beautiful leek, celery, cauliflower, broccoli. I also have a sweet potato from the grocery store. And from the farm at South Mountain, I have some root vegetables. A few beets, radish, and a turnip. And what I'm going to do is coat the veggies with a little bit of olive oil, one by one, and a little bit of sea salt after I chop them. Put them in the oven at about 425 degrees for about 25 or 30 minutes, and we're going to have some great roasted vegetables. So think about any vegetables that you might have in your kitchen right now, from your local farmers, from the grocery store, and you can use this simple method to really roast any kind of vegetables. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition. The veggies for today's roasting actually come from Blue Sky Organic Farm, as well as the farm at South Mountain. So we have fennel, green garlic, leek, celery, along with cauliflower and broccoli from Blue Sky. And from the farm at South Mountain, some roots. We have some beets, turnips, and radishes. For the roasting, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is to chop all the veggies into bite-sized pieces, into interesting shapes, and then I'll be coating them one by one with olive oil and a little bit of sea salt. So now I'm going to coat the veggies with the olive oil and sea salt in the bowl, and then place them on these sheet pans, being really careful that they don't touch. And this way they're going to cook from the heat of the oven on the outside of the pans as well as the heat from the bottom of the pans. And that's how they are going to become nice and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. So the chopped veggies have been coated with olive oil and a little bit of sea salt, and I have spread them out on parchment-lined flat pans. And basically, as you can see, the veggies are not touching, a little bit of social distancing there, but the real reason for that is that this way, the heat from the oven can cook the veggies, also the heat from the bottom of the pan, and that's what's going to allow the veggies to stay crisp on the outside, soft on the inside. So the oven has preheated. I'm going to put these in the oven at 425 degrees for about 12 minutes. After that, I'm going to flip the veggies, cook them maybe for about another 15, and then enjoy them as a really great veggie bowl. Favorite things about cooking is actually plating. So I'm going to very mindfully plate all of these veggies into a bowl, thinking about the colors, the textures, the beauty, and the edible flowers. I'm happy to share with you the really tasty roasted veggie bowl, and I invite you this week to get some veggies from your local farmer or your grocery store and create this simple dish and enjoy a really tasty, healthy, simple to prepare dish with your family this week. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition.